Kamusta po kayo? Sana nasa maayos kayong kalagayan. Ngayon ay June 17, 2025, Martes. Coding po ako ngayon. So kahapon meron kaming family bonding. So maaga nakatulog. So matagal na rin ako hindi makapag-jogging. Nandito ako ngayon sa may Cloverleaf Drive. Jogging muna tayo kahit mga 20 minutes. So ang ginagamit ko pagka magja-jogging ako, since natigil ako sa pagja-jogging, balik ako dito sa beginners, yung guided run ng Nike. Ano to, Nike Nike Run Club. So nakapag-register na ako dito. Punta ako sa guided run, tapos first run. So 20 minutes lang to. So pagka itong first run, pag makadami ka na dyan, pwede kang mag-proceed sa next run. Tapos may speed run din, long run. So magandang practice to. Halimbawa, itong first run, yan, i-download ko, first run, 20 minutes run yan. Yan. Start, bago mag-start, ano muna, stretching muna tayo. Stretching muna tayo para hindi tayo mabigla. Hindi tayo banda sa unahan. Ayun. So start na natin. 1, 2, 3. Takbo na. Yan, may ano yan, oh. Nagsasalita yung yung coach, si Coach Bennett. Ano to dito? Yung Cloverleaf Mall. Ayala Cloverleaf Mall. Yoo! Ah! Naka 8 minutes na tayo. Kahit dandahan basta. Yan, nagsasalita.
How do you feel? Because it matters.
Ah,
The answer should be great, coach.
great coach.
So good, coach. I just want to run forever. And if it's neither of these, then I'm guessing you want to tell me that you're hurting a little.
Woo! Halfway na tayo. 10 minutes.
Because if
Woo! Hinga sa ilong. Buga sa bibig. 14 minutes na tayo. So mahigit. Konti na lang, 5 minutes. Woo! Walang tigil to. Minsan yung utak natin gusto nang tumigil kasi pinipreserve niya yung katawan natin eh. Sige lang, dandahan lang. Woo! 15 minutes. Woo! Dapat talaga at least 2 to 3 times a week pagka tumakbo. Bawat tumagal at tumigil. Pag tumigil, balik sa una na naman. Woo! Last 2 minutes tayo. Pagka last 2 minutes, kailangan natin bilisan ng konti. Faster than sa nag-umpisa. Woo! Inom muna tayo ng buko juice. Alas.
70.
Bangos na lang. Walang ano eh, walang ibang maganda eh.
Alikan.
Tanghali na kasi. Anong oras na ba? Alas 10 na ata. Wala na atang pantinola. Yakult Light. Patay ng buhay pa oh. Buhay pa yung tilapia. Magkano nga to kuya? Magkano ang kilo nga dito? 170. May nakakuha tayo.
Ah?
Bangos tayo. Magkano ang kilo boss?
Iyawa. 90 kuya?
Ha?
90 po.
190? 190 ang kilo. Natin yung history ng cloverleaf. So, ito yung itsura ng cloverleaf. So, para siyang dahon ng cloverleaf. Parang ito yung ano, ito yung symbol ng Canada. Ito ba yan? Canada? Hindi. Ito yung symbol ng ano nga yung basketball team. Celtics. Ito yung symbol ng Celtics. NBA team, basketball team. So ito yun. 4-leaf clover gateway of luck. Gateway of luck 1992 to 2021. Sinasarado din pala to despite CTMI closure in 1992. It solidified Cloverleaf reputation as a textile industrial estate. Textile industrial estate pala to. And then yan ang history. Dito tayo sa umpisa pala. Ito yung pinaka-umpisa. 1800s pa lang siya. Ito. Balintawak Cloverleaf, a wellspring of hope. 1881 to 1775. The history of Balintawak Cloverleaf deeply connected to the traditional Balintawak dress worn by Filipino women during the Spanish colonial era. This attire, made from local fibers, included dress and skirt, complemented by a kerchief, and apron. So ito yun. Kerchief and apron. Ganda ng mga unang babae oh. It also links to Balingasa, a pre-colonial township in Caloocan established as a barrio in 1982. So dyan na lang muna. Then in 1950 to 1980, Cloverleaf, heart of the fabric industry. In the 1930, fabric production in the Philippines remained a cottage industry. However, the early post-war year brought significant changes, largely driven by government policies aimed at building the economy. This initiative includes incentives that encourage the growth of the local textile industry, leading to the establishment of Central Textile Mills Incorporated, CTMI, originally known as the Central Manufacturing Corporation. In 1980 to 1992, weaving milestone and folding of fabric heirloom, CTMI began operations by dyeing and printing gridge fabric imported from the United States. As global demand for fabric surged and the cost of imported cotton rose, CTMI took a bold initiative aligned with the national government goal to backward integrate by cultivating and growing cotton locally in Hermosa, Bataan. At its peak, the company produced over 1 million meters of fabric monthly, supplying both raw materials and finished products. Then in 1992 to 2021, four-leaf clover gateway block. So this is the one. Despite CTMI's closure in 1992, it solidified Cloverleaf's reputation as a textile industrial estate. This prominence was further enhanced by the construction of the Cloverleaf-Balintawak interchange, which arose to accommodate the significant volume of motor vehicles traveling from Manila to its surrounding suburbs, as well as those commuting to and from the northern provinces during the 1960s. The Cloverleaf-Balintawak interchange opened in 1968 as part of the initial 28-kilometer, 17-mile segment of the North Luzon Expressway, NLEX, between Quezon City and Guiguinto, Bulacan, where a shrine to Andres Bonifacio was later erected. Then, in 2021, a new Cloverleaf unfurled alerts first urban pocket enclave. Cloverleaf historical significant woven enriched fabric has been enriched even more with its ties to our country's fight for freedom along its soil under the shades of the golden trees and path in 1960s group of Filipino Katiponeros gathered in defiance of Spanish colonizers, igniting the Philippine Revolution in Balintawak. Philippine Revolution in Balintawak. This is the new